NEO1 is a 770 student bed accommodation across 19 floors that is built beside the famous Wembley football stadium. It is built for our client Greystar and is due for completion in June 2025. With 39% of the global carbon emissions being attributed to the built environment sector, we at McAleer Rushe understand that we have a significant role in responding to the climate emergency, and we are focused on achieving our target of being net zero by 2045. So here on NEO1, we undertook a whole life carbon assessment. It helps inform decision making, not only in terms of identifying measures to reduce carbon emissions during the construction of a project, but the operational phase also. The sub and superstructure account for approximately 30% of the total embodied carbon on a project. From the onset, we held design stage carbon reduction workshops, and through efficiencies, we achieved a LEDI rating A. This is a highly efficient frame, whilst complementing the original architectural intent. From stage 2 to stage 5, we were able to reduce our total embodied carbon by approximately 10%. We developed awareness across our design and supply chain, and then drove these efficiencies through design and procurement. Key focus for us as a company is to ensure our suppliers and contractors can provide us with environmental product declarations. This allows us to accurately track our embodied carbon and allows us to make better and more informed decisions.
Waste reduction has been at the forefront of our mind from the offset of the project. With the help of the design team and early subcontractor engagement, we were able to benefit from off-site construction such as bathroom pods, brick slip panels, prefabricated partitioning, joinery items, and electrical and mechanical service risers. The benefit of off-site fabrication has ensured that waste is minimised.
On-site at NEO1, we practice simple but effective methods of waste and carbon reduction. To date, 100% of waste generated from the project has been diverted from landfill. All pallets and stillages brought onto site are clearly identified, marked, so they can be taken off-site and reused again in the project. We've established a partnership with the Community Wood Recycling Scheme to maximise the reuse of timber waste. They also provide employment opportunities for those from disadvantaged backgrounds. In the early stages of the project, we were able to utilise alternative fuels and solar power, which allowed us to save over 6,000 litres of fuel compared to a traditional diesel power generator, which equates to over 30 tonnes of CO2 emission savings. Across the board on site, we segregate waste where possible. All of our waste goes into segregated bins, brought down and goes into separate skips. To fully understand our Scope 3 carbon emissions, we record the travel distance for all deliveries arriving on site, which are booked through our online integrated delivery management system. We also log the commute distance of all our site visitors through our interactive QR code, which is then tracked through SustainIQ. We use SustainIQ to track our site energy, water and waste throughout the project, and it enables us to track our progress against these site targets. All of our bulky waste, such as cardboard and plastic, is compacted and baled to minimise the skip exchanges on site. At McAleer Rushe, we now complete all of our audits and inspections online to minimise on unnecessary paper printing.